we are starting off the vlog at the gas station. At the pump to me. It's crazy because I used to always take this car out during the day because obviously no interior lighting, and I really couldn't record during the nighttime with the clutch rattle, highway noise, all that stuff. But it's funny because now that the clutch is fixed, I'm only doing these like night drives in this car when I used to do them like straight in the Shelby. So I just think that's kind of funny how things just literally flipped. But I'm trying to get these braking miles done as quickly as possible because I need this done by next Friday. That's when I need it done. Well, technically I don't need it done by next Friday, but I want it done by next Friday. I have 73 miles on this thing right now, so I mean, we're almost there. Not really, but it should come up quick. I just need like 2-3 days where it's nice, where I can just take the car out and just drive it. All right, so I'm actually gonna head out to a little park and chill right now. It's about like 20 minutes away, so we should be able to get a couple good miles in. I know these braking miles technically are not highway, but there's a lot of back streets, so I'm using that to kind of add to the miles. Hope you guys are enjoying these night POVs in this car. I know it's kind of crazy dark because I got no interior lighting in here, but it is what it is. Not really worry about it and technically, you know, break it in on the way to Dallas, but at the same time I'm trying to test out the car long before I go out there. Man, it's so nice driving on the highway without that. So nice now. And the car just feels, it literally feels like it rolls a little bit quicker too. I know that sounds stupid, but that lightweight flywheel, I don't know. I mean, I want to say that I do notice a difference. I definitely notice a difference driving it around like a parking lot. That I do know. With this clutch. Incredibly quiet to me now. Like obviously it's not, but it just seems incredibly quiet because I don't have that, you know, going on constantly. But I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get closer to the meet. I'm like literally 15-16 minutes away right now, so it's right around the corner in Texas terms. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get closer.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm not at the meet yet, but I don't know if you guys can see it on the windshield, but it is starting to drizzle a little bit. This is exactly why it's going to take a minute to break this car in, because the weather is so bipolar right now. Like, it was supposed to be like downpouring all day, and it didn't rain at all. So I was like, all right, fuck it. You know, I'm gonna take it out tonight just to go get some braking miles done. And literally, as soon as I take it out, it starts raining. It's a little drizzle, but if it starts to come down, I'm definitely gonna have to pull over and just park up at a gas station and just wait it out and pray that it doesn't start to downpour, because I mean, this kind of sucks. But this is exactly why I said this might take a little bit to do, because obviously with no hood in the car, it's kind of problematic driving around with with it raining and everything exposed. I just went ahead and replaced the belt, and I definitely don't want the belt getting all wet and shit like that. That would just be down bad. All right, I'm back again. But I don't know if I'm the only person that's been noticing this. Now, I had to cut the GoPro back on because I just saw 5 cops within like a 1 mile radius. For those of you who are living like out, you know, in like the north side and also in the south side of Houston, have y'all been seeing like a ridiculous amount, and I'm talking about a ridiculous amount of Metro Police just all up and down the toll roads, you know, the free to use highways? I mean, they're literally everywhere. I've seen more cops in the past like 3 days than I've seen in an entire year living out here. Like, I've literally seen more cops in 3 days than I did see, you know, in 1 day on Texas 2K. Like, that's ridiculous. I don't know what's going on, and it's like they're just driving around like with their lights flashing. They're not in pursuit. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? They are not playing around, y'all. Like, it's hot out here right now. But at the same time, like, I kind of understand why, because like it's getting around that time, you know, that Texas 2K time, and dudes are hosting meets and shit like that, and they're, you know, they're announcing the days people are going out. I'm like, man, y'all gotta be smarter about that shit, for real. Like, if you're gonna go ahead and host a roll meet, don't post the fucking Addy until the day of, literally, like 3 hours before. Real shit. Okay, so as soon as I'm getting close to this meet, it's starting to rain again, and this might be chalked. But I'm like 9 minutes away, it's starting to rain. I might have to pull over. I'll keep y'all updated, man, but I'm gonna have to pull over. Alright, so we're about to pull up. Very well could be dead, because typically if there's a meet, you'd see some people kind of like merging onto the highway near it. Okay, I'm hearing some stuff. Oh shit. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Watch there be nobody here and it's just like cops. I'd be like, yo, shit, don't mind me. Let's see what's here. It's kind of, oh, there's a fucking cop here, bro. Damn, bro, there's a cop here. I bet you this shit popped. Yeah, I think they popped this hoe. Sure. for what's left. All right, so I'm at a truck stop right now. That meat was completely chalked. Cops everywhere. They started running plates, so I'm not trying to mess with that. But I'm letting the car cool down a little bit because I do need to go ahead and put some coolant in the car because they did have to drain it when they fixed the intake manifold gasket leak. I don't think they actually topped it off, which is cool. I always keep some coolant with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and top this off when it does cool down so it doesn't like shoot up. But yeah, I mean, we're getting some braking miles done, so that's what's up. I mean, that's kind of what I need to get done. There's just a lot of cops out right now, which is pretty unfortunate, but I mean, I'm starting to really fuck with the no hood look and like the stance. Damn, dude, like it's on the RPF ones. Look, man, I don't care what anybody says, this shit looks way better on the RPF ones than they did on the other wheels. And I honestly think it looks better on the RPF ones than it would have looked if I put the welds on. So I'm really, really happy I went with this wheel and also the Nitto tire combo. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the RPF ones versus the old setup. Honestly, like I said, I think the RPF ones look amazing and they were definitely the right decision. Damn, this is clean. This is fucking clean. Yeah. That shit clean. Damn. Dope. Damn. Many Cybertrucks. GT4 RS, dude, this is beautiful.
Okay. Yeah. No, bro, I actually have a lot of guys looking for Aircons right now, so I've been in the market looking around.
The Viper is beautiful. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the late night POV as well as the couple of car meets I did go to. The last pop-up meet, I do apologize for talking quite low, but dude, when I pulled up, it was like 1 a.m. People were tired. I could tell people were tired. I was not trying to go in there and be like, yeah! So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I don't know what day this vid's gonna go up, but I'm trying to have the car broken in within the next, like, I'd say 5 days or so. As long as I get, you know, a good stretch of weather for like 3 days, we'll be good to go because I absolutely hate this clutch break-in period. I just wanna start, you know, running the car again because I, you know, was unable to test it when I wanted to test it. It got cut short. So now I need to make up for lost time and get this done because it's literally like Texas 2K crunch time. I have no time at all. Like realistically, this needs to be done within like 7 days and I'll make it happen. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.